Now we'll discuss what is limit of sum. Before going to the limit of sum, we first know what about the geometrical interpretation of definite integration. What do you mean by definite integration? What can be said about the definite integration geometrically? Look at integration from a to b f of x dx means it is the area covered by the line curve y is equal to fx bounded by x is equal to a and x is equal to b. Look at this is the curve. This is y is equal to f of x, and this is x is equal to a, and this is x is equal to b. So what is the integration from a to b f of x? That means the area covered by these boundaries. This portion of area is the value of integration from a to b f of x dx, provided that the function, the curve must be a continuous curve, right? Next, we are using limit of sum. What is limit of sum? Look at, I am drawing another curve. Look at, this is x is equal to b, this is x is equal to a, and this is y is equal to f of x, right? We break it some smaller intervals in intervals. Then this is a and this length bh, and this point is a comma f of a. Then similarly this point is b comma f of b. So that means if this length is h, what is the area of this portion? This is just same as the area of this. এই area সহিত এই এরিয়াটা পাখাপাখি সেম, রাইট? এইটা হলো f of a, এইটা হলো h, তাহলে এতিকর এরিয়া কেতে হবে h into f of a plus similarly this point is a plus h, and this is f of a plus h, f of a plus h into h, this area টা হলো h into f of a plus h, last আসিবো h into f of a plus n minus 1 into h. This is the portion of the area bounded by y is equal to f of x and x is equal to a and x is equal to b. This is called the limit of sum. That is h into f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus n minus 1 into h. Right? What is h? Where h is equals to b minus a by n, because we divide हमें सब पार्ट को इक्वली डिवाइड करछंती n पार्ट से a ରୁ b को पोर्शन रे हमें a ରୁ b पोर्शन टा को n टा इक्वल डिवाइड पार्ट रे डिवाइड करछंती. सो सब पार्ट रो लेंथ आसीबो b minus a by n, b minus a by n, right? Now what is f of a? That is put the value of x here, f of x रे a रो value put कर देले f of a आसी गला, right? अच्छा, what are the steps to find the limit of sum? Limit of sum बाहर करिया पाए कौन कौन स्टेप दरकार? Steps to find the solve the limit of sum. Steps for limit of sum. Steps for limit of sum. Right? First step, find f of x, a and b. Next, find h is equals to b minus a by n. Next, use formula of equation 1. This is equation 1. This will be used, and the last part use the formula. Use the formula first 1 plus dot 1 n times this is equal to n. a के कितने ऐड कर ली n रे ऐड करछि, that is n 1 plus 2 plus dot n, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 n into n plus 1 by 2. Next 1 square plus 2 square dot n square. It can be written as summation k square. K varies from 1 to n. It is like n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus dot n cube, that is equal to summation k cube. K varies from 1 to n is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 dot n to the power 4, that is summation k to the power 4. K varies from 1 to n. That value is 1 by 30 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into 3n square plus 3n minus 1. Use this formula. After using this formula, you just simplify it, put in the last equation, put the value of h, and after simplification you use the formula used for limit evaluation of limit. if limit evaluation करिया पे जो formula दरकार सेटा लास्ट रे यूज करिवो एठी, तापरे फाइनल आंसर आसी जिवो. कम टू वन क्वेश्चन. इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 1 to 2 x into dx. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, f of x is equals to x. तो f of 1 केते हेबो 1, f of 1 plus h केते हेबो 1 plus h, f of 1 plus 2h केते हेबो 1 plus 2h, all this, right? Now integration from 1 to 2 x into dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity h into f of a plus f of a plus h plus dot f of a plus n minus 1 into h, right? Now we put the value of n and put also the value of h. Equals to limit n tends to infinity. H is what? H is what? H is equals to b minus a by n. 2 minus 1 by n means 1 by n. It is 1 by n. F of a means f of 1. F of 1 is 1. So f of 1 plus h plus dot f of 1 plus n minus 1 into h, right? That is equals to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n. F of 1 is what? F of 1 is 1 and it is 1 plus h, then it's 1 plus 2h plus dot 1 plus n minus 1 into h, right? 1 1 1, how many 1? केतरा 1 अछि? n दा 1. So like limit n tends to infinity 1 by n. एडी 1 1 1 केतरा 1? n दा 1 8 कले केते आसीबो n, तापर प्लस h plus 2h dot n minus 1 into h into 1 plus 2 plus dot n minus 1. That is limit n tends to infinity 1 by n plus h by लिखिबी 1 by n minus 1 into n by 2. n cancel हो गला, right? That is limit n tends to infinity n by n केते 1. अच्छा ये 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by n, right? n infinity माने 1 by n केते आसीबो 0. So half 1 into half minus 0, half into 1 minus 0, half into 1 minus 0 means half. This 3 by 2. This is the final answer. This is all about the limit of sum. Thank you.